In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make pure rosemary oil at home, and make sure your rosemary is well grown one, not baby rosemary, that grow on the post. And I'm using sunflower oil. You can use the oil of you choose, however make sure the oil you choose is supported with high flame fire, so you don't use like jojoba oil, argan oil, or castor oil. But however, you can mix with those oil after you done with your extracted with the other oil. You can use like olive oil, coconut oil, and sunflower oil. In this case, which is sunflower oil, is really great to moisturize hair. And then put on the slow flame and make sure you keep stirring it, because you don't want your rosemary to be burning. But your rosemary, by the time it done, the oil must look like dry rosemary, like this, not like burning or black. That way is gonna be useless. And then I know all of you know how dry rosemary look like because you season your food. However, I'm going to show you right here. Look at this, how dry rosemary is, and then look at my oil. So your rosemary leaf should look like this. That means it's not burned, well done, well looked after while we cooking it. And then cheesecloth or cotton cloth, that's something the pieces it doesn't go through. And then you will strain it like this out. Please make sure to subscribe, give the thumb up if you think this remedy was helpful, and share with your friend. And don't forget to comment as well, and then try it and come back and share your thoughts though. So look how green and beautiful it is, because we've been careful and we didn't burn it. If you follow the instruction, you're going to be so pleased with this remedy. And apply this remedy like 2 times a week and massages for 10 minutes. Don't skip that 10-minute massage, and you will see the result. You see, you don't have to even buy any more rosemary oil from me, so you can use in your house like this. So with that being said, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. This is my protective hair style, like 4 days today since I washed it. And then I make my own this protective hair style. I do this often on my own, and then just apply it and massage it like I said before. Do not skip that 10-minute massage. Is really important.